As you see, light, sauerkraut.
This is mine. Yeah, this is mine. This is our menstrual cycle technique. Yeah.
It's when you go through your little emotion test.
Yeah. This is my time a month. And it soon reach my time a month, just 2 more days.
Washing off the cans in the water. Mommy Sona drying her hands.
This called walk stand. Tell everybody in America so this name walk stand. And the name gentleman. Oh.
We got Kev over here.
This is walk stand. Well shine now. Size how much is? Let's see, 10.
You see?
Yeah. And my size, you know. Yeah.
So Kev, tell us about yourself.
Well, you don't know me as a big top comedian in Jamaica. You see, upcoming still, because you have people better than me now, but by a couple years, yeah, I'm up on the chart. I just certain things or certain circumstances make me not do still, but one day I'm have to make it. You see it? Yeah, because I have a lot of videos, you know, on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You see it? But still want improvement, quality of the video them not too up, so nobody know. So anytime get one more, yeah, we can reach some distance. You see it?
We're gonna put your information on the video as well to your social media username. So.
Oh, well, my social media name it's way again as in ITZWEH. Don't know spell it again. Yeah, so platform, Instagram, it depend, same thing on YouTube, TikTok as well. Is it?
You only doing comedian or you want to do a different style of video as well too?
It's comedian now for the things about the right.
No, I'm talking, ma'am. I'm talking.
Yes, I'm talking.
Well, yeah, comedian video for now. Cause it are the best value in Jamaica right now. Yeah, easy to get popular upon that, so basically comedian video right now.
But eventually, do you want to start other stuff like films or TV show?
Well, we don't know what the future can take place, see? Because we're bad for it, you know. We're better than enough of them, you know. Enough of them are just people come up with skit for them do. But me as a man just build them on spot, you see? Just sit down and talk and people laugh. So you already see that already, please have it.
Original creator.
Alright.
I like that. We're helping out too with the school and church on the street. So
that base, yeah, I'm a family home, you see it? Mom over there, say, Mom.
Hello, camera. Hello. Social media channel.
we got DeVille too as well. We can introduce DeVille. You want to talk about yourself? You want to talk about yourself?
Yeah.
What do you do, DeVille? DeVille gonna come back. DeVille helping out. We got them washing
Let me
out.
see. They water in there.
No, I don't know how long it is.
This name tell you, no. It's not answer, tell it, This a 10, this name Tev, see my upon it then.
10.
No, Tev.
Oh, Tev.
Alright, Tev, put you over there, son. Let's get going. Tev.
This is the barrel
Salad dressing.
for the school and some of the church as well too. Oh my God. And we have little lights here for when it's nighttime. We stick these in the plant. We have some little wet towels to clean up when they're cleaning, paper towel, lights, flashlight when they go on the farm, hand sanitizer, a lock, more hand sanitizer, but this one is more for like the wipes. So wipe sanitizer, I guess you would say, bag, more little. You probably have some food now for this is for when they're doing cooking, for sometimes for the school or even church morning. Coffee, rice, mac and cheese, peanut, tuna, all these cooking, juice, iced tea, and then you have clothes as well. They brought down for the community, little shorts, because you know they go to the river and water a lot. Head wraps, little shirts. More shirt, clothes for baby, so on, more paper towel, diapers, crayons, for school you could say, little house stuff. See, look at things they're just sipping down to bring to the school, so in church. I'm showing the address if I don't want to send anything down. Can't. As I said, we have the bill washing. Have to wash off the stuff because you don't know if any soap got on them or bust from the barrel, so gotta make sure you take care of that. You wanna say anything to Bill?
Huh?
You would like to say anything?
I like to big up all the peoples.
Shout out to the Bill.
Just more barbecue sauce.
Let's go to rifle soda barbecue sauce.
See me is a bit from me I got school, me a comedian. From me I got school, me a top comedian. Me, yeah, from come out of mother womb is a comedian. Me, the usual be a comedian from a class 12. Yo! Oh, man,
Kev gonna come back and talk about his comedian life.
Do this, sit down. Yeah.
Mommy showing over here. Like to say anything?
This is not an easy work. A joyful one, but not an easy one.
Everything taking a process, so the outcome is what we're looking forward to.
This is my size.
No, it's not egg, it's food color.
Yeah, this is my size.
Change the color.
Actually, mama,
Let me see the size.
kids.
Tight, the size is tight.
Oh, it's one more.
Yeah. When I wear them, yeah, you hold up my balls.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Booyah!
No, but for real, mom, them yeah, a good something to wear. Jamaican to wear them, yeah, pay tall underpants somewhere Jamaica, you know.
Sperm coat decreases.
I lie.
Achoo!
Alright then, what's now? You're glad they know that stop wear tight underpants. You know them things they better. You know how long you know that? If you wear tight underpants, you know down your sperm count, brother. Make you can't breathe nobody. And them say, man, Panama. So we have a
Wow. Stuff out the bottom. Rice.
Rice.
Nobody was going to really reach down to get those, so the best thing to do was throw it out. We have one more to do. Move this out the way. Put the camera down.
I live here, family. You good, I want to go food. Come in.
She said something's still in there. Look, yeah, it's up here. I don't care about messing with the drawers. Leave it alone.
Oh, you want to say the first camera now?
Back in the drawers. Yeah.
Alright, before I turn off the camera, you guys want to say anything?
Yeah, shout out. Follow my my IG page, Davil_flavor.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'll put it in the video too.
Yeah.
Definitely give the villa a shout out because help a lot.
Yeah.
And then we got Ted too, the comedian. So we got Ted, the comedian.
Alright.
Yeah, we out.
Later.